Understanding quick buck, unlocking English idioms. Hello and welcome, English language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the colorful world of English idioms, specifically the phrase, quick buck. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just curious about idiomatic expressions, this video is tailored for you. Let's explore what quick buck means, its origins, and how to use it in everyday conversation. The phrase, quick buck, refers to earning money quickly and, often, with minimal effort. It's important to note that this expression sometimes carries a connotation of earning money through means that are not entirely honest or ethical. Example, he's always looking to make a quick buck, even if it's not the most reputable way to do business. Understanding the history of an idiom can be as fascinating as its meaning. The term, buck, has been a slang term for money in American English since the 1850s. The word, quick, in this context implies speed and ease. Combined, they convey the idea of gaining money swiftly. This section offers various examples of how to incorporate quick buck into your daily conversations. It's a versatile phrase that can be used in both formal and informal settings, though it's more common in casual conversations. Example: many people turn to online surveys to make a quick buck. It's easy to misinterpret idioms when learning a new language. This section clarifies common confusions related to quick buck, ensuring you use the phrase accurately. Thank you for joining us in exploring the idiom, quick buck. Remember, idioms are a window into the cultural and historical aspects of a language. We hope this video has been enlightening and adds a new phrase to your English vocabulary arsenal. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.